Emma and Lily had been best friends for as long as anyone could remember. Growing up in the same neighborhood, they did everything together: school projects, weekend sleepovers, sharing secrets late into the night. They were inseparable, or so Emma thought. One evening, Emma was relaxing at home, scrolling through her phone, when a strange message appeared from an unknown number. It was short, but enough to make her uneasy. The message read, "You don't know who your real friends are." At first, she shrugged it off as a prank. But something about the message lingered. The next day, another message appeared, this time more direct: "You can't trust her." Emma's heart raced. The messages were starting to get personal. Her thoughts immediately went to Lily, but she quickly pushed that idea aside. Lily was her best friend, the one person she trusted the most. There was no way these messages were about her. As the days passed, the messages became more frequent. They never said who her was, but the implication was always clear: someone close to Emma was hiding something. The growing suspicion began to eat away at her, gnawing at the edges of her mind. One evening, Emma finally broke down. She texted Lily to meet her at their favorite cafe, the place they had always gone to when life got complicated. When Lily arrived, Emma couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. The warm smile Lily usually wore felt forced. Emma took a deep breath and brought up the messages. She explained everything: how they started, what they said, and how they were making her doubt everything she thought she knew. Lily looked shocked at first, but then her expression shifted just for a second, so quick Emma almost missed it. It was a flicker of something. Guilt? Fear? Emma couldn't tell. But it was enough to make her stomach twist with unease. That night, after they parted ways, Emma couldn't sleep. She kept replaying Lily's reaction over and over in her mind. Was she imagining things? Or was there really something Lily wasn't telling her? The next day, another message arrived, but this one was different: "It's time to know the truth." Attached to the message was a photo. Emma opened it, and her heart dropped. It was a picture of Lily standing outside a familiar building, laughing with someone Emma didn't recognize. But that wasn't the shocking part. In Lily's hand was a set of documents, and as Emma zoomed in, she saw her own name at the top of the page. The document was Emma's medical file. Confusion turned to panic as she realized what it meant: Lily had been digging into her past. Emma confronted Lily the next day. Her voice shook as she asked, "Why? Why did you do this?" Lily didn't deny it. She couldn't. The truth was that Lily had been keeping a secret that would break their friendship forever. Lily confessed that she had found something out about Emma's family, something Emma's parents had never told her. They weren't her real parents. Emma had been adopted, and Lily had known for months but didn't know how to tell her. Emma felt like the ground had been ripped out from under her. The one person she thought she could trust had been keeping the biggest secret of her life from her. Betrayal washed over her like a cold wave. She didn't know what hurt more: finding out the truth about her past, or the fact that her best friend had kept it from her. In that moment, their friendship shattered. The trust was gone, and Emma didn't know if it could ever be repaired. As Emma walked away from Lily that day, she realized that the betrayal wasn't just in the secret itself, it was in the silence, the lies, and the fact that the one person she thought would always be there had been the one to break her heart the most. Subscribe for more interesting stories to help you learn English quickly.